Welcome back to I Know Gadgets, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge technology reviews and recommendations. Today we're delving into the world of laser cutters and engravers, showcasing the top 5 options that offer precision, speed, and versatility. Don't forget to check the links in the description below and the first comment to get your hands on these incredible devices. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the LaserPecker 2 Basic Laser Engraver Cutter. With its lightning-fast engraving speed and innovative technology, this handheld engraver is perfect for creating intricate designs on various materials. Engrave at speeds of up to 36,000 min, with a frame graphic preview speed of up to 22,500 min. Achieve a compressed spot as tiny as 0.05 meter, thanks to innovative double lens focus technology. No complicated assembly required, set up in seconds and start your projects. Compatible with smartphone PC connection and supports multiple file formats. Compact and lightweight, featuring an original handle design for handheld engraving. Blue light filter protection cover and goggles ensure safety during operation. Automatic stops for vibration, tilting, and over temperature, with preset password and emergency stop button for added security. Dive deeper into the LaserPecker 2 Basic Laser Engraver Cutter's capabilities by checking the links in the description for detailed insights and reviews. Coming in at number 4 is the SCULPFUN S9 Laser Engraver. With its high precision and safety features, this CNC laser cutter is ideal for deep cutting and precise engraving on a variety of materials. Utilizes 5.5W laser beam shaping technology diode laser for ultrafine cutting and engraving. Equipped with a convenient power switch and laser filter cover to protect eyes from UV light. Steel pad protects the table from laser damage. Compatible with various engraving software and file formats, supporting PWM mode engraving and Windows Mac systems. Full metal structure design for stability and accuracy. Easy assembly in 10-20 minutes. Combines fixed focus lens and sliding design for easy focusing. Backed by 12 months product warranty and 24/7 customer service. Explore more about the SCULPFUN S9 Laser Engraver's performance by checking the links in the description for detailed insights and reviews. Securing the third spot on our list is the Creality Laser Engraver with 22W output. With its high cutting capability and fast engraving speed, this machine is perfect for metal, wood, acrylic, and more. Features FX spot, compression technology for increased laser power and cutting thickness. Achieve faster cutting and engraving compared to previous models. With high accuracy, create vibrant colors on metal surfaces using a strong laser beam. Supports offline creation and dynamic preview. Adjust airflow manually or through software for cleaner and smoother cutting, with triple intelligent monitoring system for safety. Supports various materials and software interfaces, with easy assembly and upgradable structure. Discover the excellence of the Creality Laser Engraver 22W output by checking the links in the description for detailed insights and reviews. Securing the second spot on our list is the AIgoLaser 40W high-power intelligent laser engraver. With its advanced technology and smart features, this laser cutter offers unparalleled performance and efficiency. Provides a lifespan of 8,000 hours and twice the cost-effectiveness of CO2 modules. Concentrates the laser spot with higher energy and stronger cutting ability. Up to 500 mm for improved work efficiency, with stable power output for vibrant colors. Aluminum alloy frame and improved fixtures for straight and stable lines even at high speeds. Supports online OTA upgrades and intelligent I/O connection, with various peripheral accessories. Immerse yourself in the AIgoLaser 40W high-power intelligent laser engraver's capabilities by checking the links in the description for detailed insights and reviews. And now, claiming the top spot on our list is the xTool M1 10W 2-in-1 laser engraver with integrated enclosure. With its innovative design and powerful capabilities, this hybrid laser and blade cutter redefine versatility and precision. Integrates laser engraver, laser cutter, and blade cutter into one, allowing cutting and engraving on 300+ materials. True 10W output power for cutting 10mm wood in one pass, with ultra-fine 0.01 mm precision and up to 15,000 mm min speed. Equipped with a 1690p camera and AI system for autofocusing and batch processing, with FDA certificated safety rating. filters blue light, avoids burnt edges and unhealthy fumes, with built-in fan for smoke and dust discharge. Perfect for small businesses or personal use, comes with a material package and RA2 Pro for cylindrical object engraving. Elevate your creative projects with the xTool M1 10W 2-in-1 Laser Engraver with Integrated Enclosure by checking the links in the description for detailed insights and reviews. That wraps up our list of the top 5 laser cutters and engravers of 2024. Whether you're a professional crafter, DIY enthusiast, or small business owner, these devices offer unmatched precision, speed, and versatility for all your projects. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this guide helpful and subscribe to AIGoGadgets for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy creating!